hour-by-hour forecast from the Valley News Live Storm Team.
Good afternoon. We've got quite an interesting weather situation going on here. Low pressure moving through. On one side of it, temperatures are still very spring-like, and then on the other, we're looking much colder. And on top of that, we're seeing thunderstorms, rain, and perhaps even some snow and fog as well. So just a mixed bag of weather out there today. We're going to focus first on what's going on the radar here. We've got thunderstorms up in northwest Minnesota pushing into Canada. And then some of that, at least according to the radar, detecting some snow in the middle levels of the atmosphere, and then some heavier rain down toward the Ellendale area as well. So kind of a mixed situation. We're going to go up to the north first and show you these thunderstorms that are moving through parts of Roseau County, back over into Kitsap County, western parts of Marshall County. A couple of these cells look like they're producing some decent rain at this point, and the radar is detecting a little bit of hail within these storms. And one of our viewers in Roseau County did say they saw some hail a little while ago as one of these storms passed through. We've been seeing several of them passing through the Roseau County area here this morning. Again, lightning associated with this and some hail, and these are moving to the north and east. Now, the radar indicating that we may be seeing some of this transition over to snow over in the Grafton area. Been looking at local DOT cameras around the region and haven't really seen that as of yet, but it could be melting as it's making its way toward the ground here this afternoon rather, but we could still see some snow showers with this. Now, looking at the Southern Valley, we're looking at the Ellendale area over toward Oak, seeing some rain. A little farther west, some snow showers up into Stutsman County perhaps, and then the Foster and Eddy County areas too. If it's not snow, it's falling as rain or as a mix of precipitation as this colder air moving in behind it continues to cool things down there. Off to the east, we're looking at quieter weather. In fact, some clear skies there, and that's allowed our temperature in Wadena to shoot up to 61 degrees, a huge range of temperatures here. So you're having a great day there so far. Things are going to change for you, though, shortly. 40s in Lakes Country and then into eastern North Dakota. That's where we really cool down into the low to upper 30s here. So not pleasant to be outside. In addition to that, low visibility. Fog is causing some issues, especially in northwest Minnesota. Half-mile visibility in Badette, 3/4 of a mile in Detroit Lakes, and 1/4 of a mile in Fergus Falls. So some dense, patchy fog out there as well. Wind speeds are picking up. That should help to sweep out that fog here shortly, but still on the light side east. We've got a 37-mile-per-hour gust in Grand Forks, and same thing in Jamestown out of the north. And here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner for the rest of the day. Again, this morning we saw conditions that were looking a little bit on the rainy side here. A little catch-up here around the noon hour, and then into the afternoon hours, seeing rain switching over to snow on the back side of this. And just really unpleasant to be outdoors all day long. Even tonight, we'll still have some strong wind, temperatures in the 30s, and some rain mixed in with a few snowflakes as well. Later tonight, things start to quiet down and we see improving conditions. Now, tomorrow, we'll wake up with mostly cloudy skies off to the east and some sunshine off to or clear skies off to the west. Eventually, some sunshine once it rises, and we'll get things cleared out of here. It's going to be on the cool side, but at least we get a break from this wild weather with temperatures in the upper 30s to some low 40s for your Wednesday. A look at your 7-day planner shows, again, today, not too fun for this Tuesday. For Wednesday, back into the low to mid 40s. And as we move ahead toward the later part of the week, we warm right back up into the 60s. And this weekend looks great. We remember to spring forward. We've got daylight saving time beginning. And of course, Saturday is the big parade for St. Patrick's Day. It looks fantastic.
Can't forget it. Yeah.